Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's do some flint and steel practice today with some char cloth that we charred in a strip, in a roll if you will. I like to see if I can try to get some really good slow-mos. So let's try it out a few times. See if this is the right angle. This is denim char cloth. These frays are not that flammable, so when that happens you can tear it open and use these frays. Here is a steel that I made from a Nicholson file. I have a whole playlist devoted to making steels out of Nicholson files. I'll put that in the description and at the end of this video. And here's some of that good Chert that I bought from Cooper's Bay. I'll leave a link to that video also where we checked it out when it came in the mail. All right, that was the fresh frays. Let's try some of these right now. Now let's compare that ignition with some more fresh frays. Fresh frays. We'll try the old ones again. I hope you saw that ignited, burned just for a split second and went out. So it's pretty clear that you need to tear it first. Expose all of these fresh fibers. and ignite those. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.